Good morning, class. Today I'll start with the next topic in leadership. We already discussed one kind of leadership style, that is autocratic leadership style. In that, the leader is the only person who has to direct all the followers. Means he is the only person वो ही सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ को डायरेक्ट करता है. किसी भी इंडिविजुअल या एम्प्लॉय को फ्रीडम नहीं होती कि वो अपने लीडर के साथ कोई भी चीज़ शेयर कर सके. इट इज़ लाइक सेंट्रलाइजेशन थिंग कि सारी पावर एक ही इंडिविजुअल के हाथ में होती है. So today we will start with the second one. It is called the democratic leadership style. In this kind of style, it is also known as group-centered leadership style. Here, the leader is in contact with the followers. Means जो भी उसके अंडर वर्क करने वाले एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वो उनके साथ कंसल्टेशन से कोई भी डिसीजन लेता है. When he has to perform and work, so that kind of work can be operated or performed by the leader with the help of his employees. So this is based on decentralization, where the leader distribute the powers among the employees also. The subordinates also give their suggestions, their advice to the leader so that the decision can be taken in an efficient manner. So he has to take the help of his subordinates or the followers also. This is about the democratic leadership style. As you can see the picture of this kind of style, he is the leader in the center and A, B, C and D are the followers. So they are free to communicate with the leader. The leader is also feel happy to take the advice from their followers. So this is democratic style. Now some features. The first one is cooperative relationships. Obviously the feeling of cooperation is there among the employees and the managers of the organization. Participation of all the employees in the management decision making. So there is a complete cooperative relationship. Belief in employees. Here the leader is complete belief in his employees. इसीलिए वो उनको अपने किसी भी डिसीजन में इन्वॉल्व करता है, वो उनके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करता है, उसके ऊपर फेथ है, तभी वो उनको इन्वॉल्व करता है, जिसकी वजह से जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनका मोरल इंक्रीज होता है. ओपन कम्युनिकेशन. द कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द मैनेजर एंड द एम्प्लॉयज़ ओपन हियर. There is two-way communication. They are free to talk with each other. They give their suggestions to the leaders also. Some advantages of this style. High morale. Here the employees morale increased because उनके managers उनके साथ discussion से कोई भी decision लेते हैं. Creation of more efficiency and productivity. The employee participation will increase the efficiency of the employees, जिसकी वजह से उनमें productivity increase होती है और cooperation की feeling arise होती है. Availability of sufficient time for constructive work. Here in this kind of style, the workload of manager decreased because he gave freedom to his employees, to his subordinates for taking some decision, जिसकी वजह से उसका focus constructive work की तरफ या development expansion की तरफ रहता है. Some disadvantages. Requirement of educated subordinate. This kind of style is possible when the subordinates are you can say educated. If your subordinates are educated, they can help the manager in taking decision according to the situation. So the educated subordinates must be there. Delay in decision. If the employees you can say if the manager consult with the employees, जिसकी एक long process हो जाती है और decision कई बार delay हो जाते हैं. Lack of responsibility in managers. Here the managers distribute their work among the subordinates. तो इसकी वजह से managers अपनी responsibility को subordinates के ऊपर डाल देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें loss हो सकते हैं. Now where this kind of type is suitable, when group members are skilled, where the plenty of decision is available for decision making, time is there for taking a decision. When leader wants to involve the subordinates in decision making and when the roles are clear. In such situation, this democratic leadership style is sufficient, you can say useful for the organization. The last kind of leadership style is laissez-faire or freedom leadership style. This is also known as individual centered style. In this kind of style, the managers or the leaders, they will do the little work. The work is totally distributed among the subordinates. Means you can say कि overall responsibilities of the subordinates in the beginning of the year, या you can say when we start the year, उस टाइम मैनेजर आता है और वर्क को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके subordinates के बीच में चला जाता है. And he will judge the performance of the subordinates only at the end of the you can say end of the year or you can say after the completion of the project. So यहाँ पर complete power subordinates को दी जाती है. लीडर का काम सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग और एंड में ऑब्जर्वेशन करने का होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लेजी फेयर or free rein. They are completely free to take all the decision. Means the subordinates are completely free in this situation. फीचर्स फुल फेथ इन subordinates. यहाँ पर जो कंपनी का मैनेजर है उसका 100% फेथ होता है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में. सो इसलिए वो subordinates पर पूरा ट्रस्ट करता है. लुक एट दिस स्टाइल पिक्चर. हियर इज़ द लीडर. A, B, C, D are the subordinates. They are completely free to take all the decision. The leader is not here to guide any kind of things to the subordinates. Next we have independent decision making system. यहाँ पर आपके subordinate independent है, वो कोई भी decision situation के अकॉर्डिंग ले सकते हैं. Decentralization of authority. The work is divided. This is based on the decentralization principle. Complete work is divided among their subordinate. They can take any decision. They have to complete the object with proper coordination and with proper control. Self-directed, supervisory and control. ये जो आपका स्टाइल होता है इसमें subordinate self-directed, सेल्फ सुपरवाइज्ड और सेल्फ कंट्रोल्ड होते हैं. लीडर का इसमें कोई भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता. एडवांटेजेस. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इन subordinates. With the help of this style, the employees will be feel self-confident because they have to take the decision according to the situation. High level motivation. The employees are highly motivated in this style क्योंकि उनको डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर कम्प्लीटली है. उनको सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप ही डिसीजन लेने हैं, तो दे विल फील हाईली मोटिवेटेड. helpful in development and extension of the enterprise. Where there is a need to develop the organization and the expansion of the enterprise is there. In this situation, the style is useful. Disadvantages. Difficulty in cooperation. Sometimes it is very difficult to make cooperation because यहाँ पर किसी भी तरह का कोई भी सुपरविजन या कंट्रोल नहीं होता मैनेजर्स का. तो इस तरह की सिचुएशंस कई बार ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को अचीव करने में हर्डल्स क्रिएट कर देती हैं. आपस में एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में डिस्प्यूट अराइज हो जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से कॉपरेशन नहीं बन पाता. Lack of importance of managerial post. Here the manager is not useful means मैनेजर का कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट या कंट्रोल नहीं है तो उसकी पोस्ट का बहुत लो या लेस इंपॉर्टेंस होती है एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए. सुटेबल वेयर द एम्प्लॉयज़ आर हाईली क्वालिफाइड मीन्स जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एम्प्लॉय बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाईली क्वालिफाइड हैं वहाँ पर ही ये मेथड सिर्फ सुटेबल है. Suitability. When the followers are highly skilled, experienced and educated. When the followers have pride in their work, they are fully confident. Outside experts such as specialists are required and followers are trustworthy. Where जहाँ पर managers का 100% trust है अपने followers के बीच में. So that's all about this leadership. Next chapter is about the communication that I will discuss in the next video. So up to that, take care and goodbye.